Hey guys, Mish here, Mish's XL Garage. Just wanted to show you another exciting product that we've got. This is designed and made by a local South Australian racer. We're selling his product for him because they are so good. Basically, we want to simply show you how easy they are to install. They will basically fit straight into your window, which you've already got. Comes with a nice rubber seal, makes it nice and air and watertight. Essential cooling idea. We can supply it with the duct. We can supply it with a little face vent as well, which we'll show you inside the car in a moment. As you can see, it's quite simple. Our ducting sits here. It's not attached to the actual duct itself, so we can get the door open and close quite easily without damaging anything. It's as simple as just lining the duct up, closing the door. In the emergency fact, or you want to get in the car nice and quick, you can just simply open the door, no damage. With these products here, we can sell them individually, or we can sell them as a complete kit, ready to rock and roll. If you have a look at some of the pictures here, you can see inside the car of how easy they sit, how neat they are, and the benefits of the cooling is second to none, especially on your hot days. So if you have any questions on this product at all, don't hesitate, reach out, give us a call, send us a message, and we can help you out.